So we left work about 3:30 today because the rain came, and the rain came hard. Picked up a hitchhiker. He was heading to Hudson Bay, but we took him back to Erickson so he could hopefully, a generous person would maybe give him some food and a place to sleep tonight, even if it's in a fucking garage. I'm sure he'd be happy to be not so wet. We're driving about 70 kilometers an hour, and we're just gonna turn onto the gravel to head home. It's friggin' crazy out here. Sometimes you can't even see.
Can't even hear.
Yeah, and you can't hear. I can't hear Robin talking, and he's right beside me. It's coming down really bad. This is our corner. Let's see if the gravel's any better than the highway is. It's like hydroplaning, and the steam's coming off the roads. It's crazy. Windshield wipers can't go any faster.
Hopefully we're getting out of this now. Or whatever, I'm gonna take my time.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, I'll start taping again if it gets